Here's how to use your Brandi Music dashboard. We'll log in at brandimusic.com. As soon as you log in, you'll see all of your streams, which is great if you have several locations to manage. We can quickly see that we have a device connected and listening to the stream, which is on and healthy. In a moment, we'll change these settings, but I want to show you this pop-up player, which opens up in a separate window. This will let you listen while you're doing other things. You can move it around wherever you want. Now let's go to settings. Here's another player for your convenience. It's showing what's playing right now. You don't have to hit the play button to see what's playing on your stream. It's always being displayed. The song, artist, the channel it's coming from. Let's change the music that we play as our default music schedule. Click Choose Music Channels. You can choose up to 4 channels as a premium subscriber. This allows you to create your own unique music blend. Okay, we can X out of the current selections if we like. Click Select My Channels. And let's browse through. You can see all the channels are organized by genre and grouped together. Artist photos will give you an idea of the kind of music that's on that channel. And that's it. That's your music blend. Starting with the next song, that's what you'll hear. Songs are never interrupted. Sometimes you want the music to change, but only for a certain time of year, and then go back to the music selections we just made. You can do that. Brandi automates it for you. All right, let's make a music schedule for the holiday season. We'll name it Holiday. And we're going to schedule it to play starting November 30th and end December 31st. We want to play all day, every day, so we can leave these start times empty. Choose any day of the week, or you can choose all days of the week. Now let's choose some holiday music. And save. All right, here's what we made. This schedule can be turned on or off. We can see what channels will blend, the start and end dates, the times. You can always make changes to your schedules right here. Sometimes you want a different kind of music to play during different times of the day. Here's how you can do that. Let's create another music schedule. And we're going to call it Retro Lunch Hour. Sounds like fun? Now this will play every day, so we're going to leave those date pickers alone, leave them blank. And we have the music starting at noon. And it's military time, so we're going to schedule it to 1300 or 1 in the afternoon. So it's going to play every day. Now let's choose the music. This music will play only between noon and 1 p.m. every day, and it'll always play your original default music schedule the rest of the time. You can make as many schedules as you want. There's a lot more to show you, but I think this will get you started. Thanks for watching.